are going to Highbourne Cay Marina. We need to get fuel and then we'll work our way out to Nassau. I think we're gonna head up to Nassau tomorrow. There's a bit of weather. Once again, it's been so wild being here, but I think we're gonna head up to Nassau tomorrow and then maybe go to Atlantis tomorrow, or on Saturday, we'll see. So Owen's just sailing off on his own, and we will meet him over there. It's just a few miles, not a big deal, so. Beautiful. It's been so cool. All these cuts everywhere in the Iguanas. The snorkeling is unreal. We saw so much cool stuff.
Anybody want it?
That's a real delicacy for the sharks, guys. It's like dessert.
Alright, we are going to play with some more iguanas. Should be fun. Dude, he'll eat that right out of your hand.
Pull it up and make him drop.
You want to be the controller of it? I'm gonna.
Guys!
Oh man, he's challenging you. I saw that, Bibbs.
He took it! Yay! Woo! More water, Wade!
Yeah, Wade! Getting back into Nassau for the weekend. The Bentons leave on Sunday, so we're gonna miss them. But anyway, very bad weather, rough seas. It's all downwind though, so it wasn't too bad. Hopefully our sails are fixed, so we're gonna go run over there as soon as we get to land and see about that. And then hopefully on Monday we can start putting it back on. And yeah. We might go to Atlantis tomorrow, depending on weather, so we're just kind of swimming through a few things. What do you got there? Barracuda. Well, we just got to Nassau, friends convo. They don't know we're here yet. The Bahamas Iguanas have been incredible. I can't believe, honestly, it's been some of the funnest water time that we've had since we've been on the boat. It's just beautiful. So much cool snorkeling and just playing around in the water. It's awesome when you can see straight to the bottom and it's 15 feet deep. So anyway, been good times. Happy to be here. So we couldn't get them off the hook, so we perished. So we're putting them on our friend's boat because they're not there. got stuck in there, right? Where are we going, buddy?
Atlantis.
Woo!
Are you excited about that? Where the dinghy dock is.
Going to Atlantis. Our man's driving us. Oh yeah. Hey Owen! Owen up here! Woo! Yeah, Wayne! But where are we? I don't know. I don't know either. Uh-oh. We just got stuck.
Oh man, what have you done? Face of determination there. All right, at the restaurant. This is how you park.
How's today?
So much fun.
Yeah, we had a blast. We so sad. I just bought a brand new GoPro 11 and it will not charge. So we couldn't get any footage today. Pretty sad. So we had such a good time at Atlantis. We are all very worn out. It was nice. There's only one cruise ship in town today, and so a Disney cruise, and so there wasn't too many people there. And then we are going to Poop Deck for dinner. It's an awesome restaurant. We've been here a couple of times. So. Crazy. I was down in my room 5 minutes ago and could just feel a storm brewing. It wasn't raining at all. That's what we have now. Very scary. Oh, the Nassau Branch. It's so wonderful. We've been here the last 2 weeks and super sad to leave. So we are going to be in a hurricane next week, which is so crazy. So it's been wonderful here.
It was carbonated.
What?
Coming to say goodbye again. Bye, God.
Show the camera, Owen. Show them what they gave you. First birthday present.
Well, Kavu, we love you. It's so fun. We've had a blast being with you guys. It's anyway, once again, it's always so sad to say goodbye to friends. So, but we know our paths will cross again very soon. We're excited for that. But today we are getting ready to get our boat. We're having someone ship it up to Maine. So we're just gonna start cleaning like crazy and getting everything prepared for them to go. So we'll take the next 2 or 3 days doing that. Have someone over, he's a diesel mechanic, to try and help us figure out what's going on with our motor and anyway, see what we can do to get that running right. We got sick and clean on the boat. We made some good headway though, so that's good. There's we just came up, there's a fort up here and Queen's Staircase, so we're gonna check those out. Are you putting him in jail?
Wait. What? It actually does do it.
Nice, MZ! Oh, that was close. So the Tiwal is probably our favorite toy that we have. We love, compare the Sea Bobs. The Sea Bobs are so fun, but they take a lot of power, a ton of power, and they're pretty heavy. They're like around 75 pounds, I believe. The Tiwal is so cool. It breaks up into two separate bags and fairly light. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to put up. And the kid, it's so cool because it allows the kids so much freedom everywhere we go. If they want to go to the beach or just sail around, and it's so fun for all the neighboring boats. All the kids jump on it all the time, and it's a great way for them to learn how to sail. So Tiwal, we love. It's probably the happiest, best used toy that we have on the boat. So thanks Tiwal for that. I swear by it. It's very cool. Well, the sail is coming along. Hopefully they get it done today. The guys, Dunbar and friends, are gonna be on the boat tomorrow to take it up to Maine. So fingers crossed they get it done. So Philip Sailmaker, they've been great. It's a big project. They have tons of other stuff to do as well. So they've been awesome to work with. So they've gone above and beyond to make things happen. So grateful for them. They are awesome. If you need any help, and they do seat cushions and awnings and all kinds of stuff. So they're very good contact to have here in Nassau. Here we are, supposed to fly out a little bit later today, and our sail's still not done. Our captain that's taking the boat up for us, he just got here, just landed. We'll see how everything unfolds. I may end up having to stay here an extra day, which is kind of a bummer. We shall see. Living on a boat is so fun, so amazing, and so frustrating, because you have situations like this, and one of the biggest things that just drives me nuts is I'm 100% at these guys' mercy whether or not the sail is going to be completed. And obviously I'm not the top priority of everybody. But anyway, hopefully it gets done today. I keep joking that I'll be done next week, but it is supposed to be done on Monday, but here we are. So.
Oh, here, get this, Daddy.
Gotta go.
Look at this.
Merci.
Oh,
Love it.
On the sea bar.
Huh?
So nice.
So